In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all beta? I hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher from Metropolitan School. First of all, I want to appreciate all of you, my dear students, to have the class like this other than your casual classes as you were taking. I hope you got all the lesson in a better way. Now, it's time to find out your all the good skill of learning. For this, we are going to conduct an online studies evaluation test. We all know that you have been taking these online classes for about more than 2 months. Now we move towards the syllabus. I am giving you a review about your syllabus. Here are the chapters of the mentioned month. In the month of July, we have studied chapter 2, parts of plants and their functions. In the month of August, we have studied chapter 3, the birds, and chapter 6, pollution. In first week of September, we have studied the remaining topic of chapter 6, pollution. In chapter 2, we have learned about parts of plants and their functions. Basically, parts of plants are divided into two groups: root system and shoot system. A flower is the organ of sexual reproduction in plants. Flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. Flowers grow into fruits, and fruits have seeds inside them. Seeds develop into a new plant under required conditions. In chapter 3, we learned about the birds. We learned about different features make it possible for a bird to fly, and why do birds migrate, why birds build a home, and we studied different feeding habits of birds. In this chapter, there are about 9,000 to 10,000 types of birds in the world. In chapter 6, we learned about pollution and pollutants. In this chapter, we studied different types of pollution, for example, air pollution and soil pollution, and their causes and effects on the health of all living things. Now we move towards the paper pattern. The question paper will be sent on WhatsApp in the form of PDF. 7 questions will be given in the paper that will be totally unseen, comprehension, and creativity based. And you will have to attempt any 5 questions. All the questions carry equal marks. The maximum marks of your paper is 25. You will be given 90 minutes to solve the paper. Students, you have to solve the question paper in your classwork copy. For that, you have to make a separate portion like this. Then You have to submit your copies at your school on the given date. I hope you got the paper pattern in a better way. If you have any confusion, then take a review of the lesson I have taught in previous videos. Wish you all the best and stay blessed.